Let's see how you can capture customer data through lead magnets in the DMs or through messages. So what are lead magnets? So lead magnets are incentives that business offer to potential customers in exchange for their contact information such as email address or phone numbers. For example, lead magnets may be ebooks, training videos, checklist, or even free consultation as well. So in this example, I am talking about an ebook which is called ebook lead magnet, and where we will capture the email address and we will send the lead magnet, and also we will follow up and ask if they have any questions or if they have actually checked the particular ebook as well. So let me show the flow over here. So here is how this is set up over here. So it says hello there, we are thrilled you are interested in this particular ebook, and we were actually typing for 2 seconds, and here we have added an image over here. So you can simply add new content, you can add image, text over here, the things over here, and we are asking are you ready to get it for free. So when they click this button, we will send this kind of message over here. Great, enter your email address. We are to send the email ebook. So here we are getting the email address. Suppose if they do not enter the email address, so for example, let me show it. So if they do not enter the email address, after 5 minutes we will simply send a follow message asking are you still interested in the free ebook, something like that. So let me refresh this page over here. So if they say let's do it, we will again ask for the email address, and if they say not now, we will simply say got it, just message this particular keyword to get the ebook. So basically if they provide the email address over here, we will say get the email opt-in over here, and we will say the particular ebook will be sent to you in the next 24 hours. Actually we will send immediately. If you use email, please look for the ebook in your promotions folder. And also the thing is, even if we send the emails, the chances of checking your ebook is very less. So that's why we are simply offering that particular ebook link within the messages as well. The reason we ask for the email is that just to collect this particular email address, so you can actually follow up with them later with your promotions offers. So here we are providing the ebook as well. So if they actually click this particular ebook button, that means they have opened it. So when someone, so every person who clicked that particular ebook, we are actually adding a label or tag for them called as opened the ebook, so that we can actually use this in our future marketing efforts. So this is the email we sent, we are sending. So we are sending from this gmail.com and to this particular email, so which will be collected in this particular step. And this is how the email copy look like. So they can simply press the download button over here to get the to read the ebook. And we are also sending the follow-up message after 12 hours asking I wanted to follow up with you to see if you have had a chance to read the ebook that you downloaded from us, or we put a lot of effort in creating it, or asking if they have any questions as well. So this is just a follow-up to continue the conversation, and so that you can talk with them and see if they are interested in your paid offers. So let me show a quick demo over here. So basically this is again triggered using the keyword over here. So basically I have already set the keyword. So basically if someone says leads, we will send this capture customer data with a lead magnet flow over here, so which is this flow. So let me show my phone screen over here again. So let me enter the keyword leads over here. Alright, so it sent me this kind of messages which we have set up over here. After that 2 seconds it will send me this image, and after that it will say are you ready to get it for free. So if I press let's go, I will get this kind of message over here. Great. So let me provide the email address over here. So this, it says this email, it will be sent to this particular email address, and as a convenience it's providing me the access to this particular ebook right inside here. So if I press this button ebook, it will simply open the ebook and ask me to download this particular ebook. So after they download the ebook, they can simply check the ebook from here as well. So as you saw here, we also sending the email as well. So as you can see here, so I actually get the email as well. So this so let me open. So this is the email downloading ebook. It came to inbox. This is the email copy we have over there. So here, so that's how this works. So after 12 hours I will receive this follow-up message as well. So this follow-up message is sent to actually get the replies from the customers and start talking to them. Maybe if they are interested, you can pitch your paid offers as well. So that is how you can offer your ebook or lead magnets and capture the customer data as well. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you.